So, hey guys. Nasa car na ako. I'm gonna leave na. Magpapagas dapat muna ako. But, meron namang gas yung car. So, baka pag-uwi ko na lang. I'm going to Rockwell. I'm actually late. Actually, dapat hindi ako late. Kaso, yung mga kasama ko, oh my god, so ugly. Whatever. We're just gonna eat. I don't really care. I'm going now. Bye. I'm here with my pet. Guys! Hi guys! We're here at our favorite sangria place. And sadly, nagpalit na sila ng promo. What the hell? I'm never going back. Joke.
You just lost a loyal customer.
Yeah. Here's guys, be serious.
Be serious.
So we're drinking right now and talking about people.
That is some serious matter.
Yeah, it's so serious that we had to buy a 420 pesos sangria.
Sometime.
We're going home.
Hey guys, we got our receipt.
We just paid 130 pesos for a parking
Parking, girl.
sa Rockwell. Is that even right? The heck? Like, usually it's 60 pesos. Ilang oras ba ako nandito?
What is this inflation, guys?
I'm on the way home. Na-drop ko na si Tay. Yeah, we were just like gossiping the whole time.
Ate told me I could have the
I'm so sleepy. I swear, feel ko pag uwi ko, bagsak na ako. But, just said not to dress up. Kasi casual lang naman daw. So, ako, I'm just wearing a black top and a pants. And like, I don't know, hindi mo ako umaalis nang walang makeup. So, yeah. I'm gonna go down kasi baka malapit na sila. But they're not messaging yet. So, yeah. I'll just wait downstairs. Kasi antok na talaga ako. Makakatulog ako. For real. I'm gonna post this on YouTube. Legit. So, pag nakita mo...
I look so chopped, ate.
Report awesome goodies. Basically, just donuts. Glazed donuts with fresh fruit and like with cream. I just saw them on Facebook. Yeah, but they have TikTok and Instagram. I have no choice but to hang out with my ugly sisters.
Wow! Talaga ba?
Tagal ng sundo ko.
Oh my god, this looks great.
It's raining cats and dogs.
Hindi. Yung pogi ng isang anak ni
Hi guys! Hi guys! Hi Ver! It's raining!
Hi, vlog.
So where are we guys?
Bollywood.
Hi! Video mo nga kami. We're waiting for our food. It's so tagal. I-rate namin yung food namin mamaya. Ay, nakakain na kayo dito, diba? Oo. Okay. I will rate the iced tea now. It doesn't feel like it's house blend. TBH. Hindi siya lasang house blend. Or I don't know. Feel ko mas gusto ko lemon. Lemon? Yeah. I rate it 2 out of 10.
Gagawin ko, shit.
This is the spinach dip that nobody likes. Only just like.
Hoy, sabi niyo.
I like that.
With the boys. Spinach dip. Guys, look at that. May no sa chili. Delicious. Okay. Okay guys, I'm gonna try this. Yes. Leafy. Tastes like grass. Parang baka. Guys, mas sweet na guys, may nagsus... Ito sobrang bastos. No? Beer. Lasang breakfast. Lasang sa bacon. No, kasi ano yung bacon? Like, palabok. Palabok. The spinach dip is a 7 out of 10. Carbonara for me. Sabi ng birthday girl, this girl, it's the best carbonara on earth.
Hindi naman.
But I don't believe her. Mine is... This is my vlog. Mag-vlog ka ng sarili. What about the carbonara? Carbonara is 6 to 7. Unfortunately, this girl can't understand Tagalog. No, she can. Ah, you can. Don't underestimate her. Tell me something in Tagalog. Tangina po. Very good. We will now try the horchata. Ito masarap guys. Sorry guys. The ribeye steak. It's medium rare or well. Medium well. Very good. Compliments to the chef. We're done eating now.
Actually, it's just her.
What?
No, we're not
You're such a liar. There.
Susubo pa sila, guys.
I'm so full I'm gonna die. Overall, I will rate this experience. Follow nyo na lang yung account ko. Ipopost ko dun yung experience ko sa IG account. I will put it here. The username. Okay? Sa service, nagreklamo sila.
The boys.
Yeah, the boys are making reklamo. Medyo mabagal. Actually, hindi medyo. Mabagal talaga. As in like, ubos na namin yung steak and porchetta. Tapos, wala pa yung rice. Alam nyo guys, yung mga kinakain namin dito, nilalagyan namin ng salt. Kasi may COVID kami. Pag uwi namin, may take out kaming gallstone. Okay, what's the best dish for you, guys? Mine is this steak.
Mine is
The ribeye steak. Dish!
Ayun yung sa akin.
Oh, steak. Spinach dip for Shay.
Steak. How about you?
Steak. You? Steak. How about you?
Shay.
That's so rude! Oh my god. Oh my god. This is outrageous. Least ko is the carbonara.
Oh, guys, may
No offense, you just.
Ako may gumawa.
How about you? Least favorite? Spinach dip. Because hindi siya kumakain ng gulay. How about you, Jazz?
Ano?
Least favorite?
Spinach.
Side dishes.
Hindi nga tissue.
Hindi nga, part yun.
Yung main.
Eh, wala eh. Wala. Gusto ko lahat. Big back. Okay, how about you?
Spinach. Okay.
Okay guys, nandito kami sa Greenbelt. We just finished eating dinner. And now we're gonna get dessert.
Wait lang, wag mo ko bully. Ang hirap
We're gonna get dessert at where? Chili's?
Yes.
We're gonna get the skillet something they like. So see you there! Hi Faye! Hi guys! We're here na sa Chili's. Bumili kami ng dessert. Mommy! Ready to eat!
Lumaki ba yung ice cream or lumiit yung skillet?
Wow! Guys, first bite.
May wala naman pahunog.
Gagi kasi kayo wala naman talaga sa gitna. Ayun na. Ayun na. Magiging laban na sa Oh my gosh, it's coming out. So yummy. This is a 10 out of 10. Let's taste the next one. This one. Mas gusto ko pala to. Actually pala, magkaibang sarap. We're so busog. As in, like, nafe-feel ko na meron akong tonsillitis.
I'm so busog. I wanna poop.
Hi guys! 24 hours in the mall challenge. We're on the way. Where are we going?
Home.
Going home. So hey guys, spending 100,000 in one night vlog. So saan tayo unang bibili guys?
We are gonna buy at Sandro. Simayan.
Hey guys, hindi namin alam saan kami nag-park. We're lost.
What's up, guys? We're pranking our people.
Hindi ko na mapu... Nagte-treasure hunting kami ngayon. Yes. Ang goal ay maka-red mo yan. You have failed.
Guys, no, it's fake.
Oo.
What? Nagkaroon po kasi. That's like, yes, yan.
Higher.
Hindi ko na kaya dito.
Excuse me. It's not allowed here. Can you stop that? We're going home now.
We're going home now.